Hello everyone, my name is Olive. Welcome to a new video on SolidWorks tutorial. Today's lesson it is about a practice on how to draw with SolidWorks. In this example, we will go back to different features we have seen in the past, and I can also show you some tips and tricks on how to build parts in SolidWorks. The exercise of today it is the part seen on the right side of my screen, and I will show you how to go about it. Let's get started. First of all, we have to design the sketch. So sketch and top plane. In SolidWorks, it is possible to design different features in one sketch and then just apply the feature on several parts of the sketch we have drawn. So this is what we will do. This method will help us to save time and also be very efficient. Okay, for this one, I will apply the equal relationship since it is a square, and I will draw different cycle for different features: the inner center, the 55 one, the one distant of 6 millimeter, and the bottom one. Now let's apply the dimension. First I have 32. This is the inner one, and then 55. To apply the 6 millimeter, this one, we have to hold the control button on our keyboard and select the two diameters we want to apply the relationship, and SolidWorks will show us. Now let's put 6 millimeters, and this bottom part it is 80 millimeters. Okay, now let's add those cycles. They are lying on the cycle of 115 millimeters. Let's put 115 millimeters. They are 16 millimeters diameter, and to add the three remaining, we will do a circular pattern. Okay, 4, and that's it. We can see that the other one are not fully defined, so we have to apply the relationship to make them fully defined. They are coincident to this cycle, and they are also coincident to the diagonal. Now they are fully defined. Now it is left with this part, the cut part, this rectangle I'm about to draw, and it is symmetric with respect to the center. Let's apply the symmetric relationship. And okay, one thing, when you are overlapping features, by clicking the right click, SolidWorks will show you this part, select others, and selecting it, you have a little screen window where you can select which one you are interested in. And while you are over on the selection, you can see the color changes, which is to show you which one you want to. We want to select the line 7 and apply the dimension on it. It is 18. Okay, my sketch is fully defined, and I can close it and start applying the features. We will start by feature extruded boss base. I have to select the sketch 1. Since our sketch is a little particular, SolidWorks is not able to preview the extrusion. We have to tell SolidWorks which part we want to extrude. First of all, we have to cancel here the selected contour and select which one we want to extrude. While we are hovering the mouse on region, you can see it is full. It get full to tell you this one you want to select, and let's select every contour you want to extrude. I will not select the inner one since it is a hole through all. I will change the verse of this the extrusion and add the 18 minus 12 millimeters. This is, oh, it looks as if I have forgotten a part, so let's go back and add the one remaining. Okay, let's start over. So I have this region, I have this one, I have this one, and this one. Same thing, this one. No, I don't want the contour. I want the region. I want the region. I want this region. Okay, now it is well done. And then I have to add other extrusion. Same thing, expand the feature tree and select the sketch. Again, I want to do this 80 millimeters one. Same thing, you have to just select the contour, change the direction of the extrusion and apply 80 millimeters. Okay, fine, this is done. Another extrusion, again same thing, selecting the sketch. And this one I want this 4 millimeter extrusion. For this one I will have to add, oh, I have done a mistake. We'll go back to the previous extrusion and clear some parts. Oops. And apply 4 millimeter extrusion. Okay, now it is done. Now we have to apply as well this cut. Same thing, let's go extruded cut, select the sketch and select the feature or the contour we want to cut. Okay, and then apply. Let's see, mid plane and put it. Okay, it's done. I will now build this side part. From this surface I will have to do a new sketch and add everything. Okay, we have seen that this part distance is distant 40 millimeter the bottom, so let's press the shift button. select our arc and the bottom and apply 40 millimeters, and the width it is 36 millimeters. Fine, my sketch is fully defined and I can now add the cut. Let's select nice 8. I was looking for the distance. It is 8 here, as you can see. The last thing it is to make a draft to apply this 60-degree angle. Let's go to draft, select the neutral plane. The neutral plane will be this one, and apply the angle. And press OK. Oh, what's happening? I may have put not selected the feature, the line to draft. And that's it. Now to have this other 3-1, we have to do a circular pattern. Let's go linear pattern, circular pattern. We want 4 over the line. To do it is be, let's put any one here, and the feature are this cut and this draft. Fine, now it is done. The remaining draft, it is this one. Let's add the new draft, the neutral plane, and all the faces we want to draft. Actually it is 30, and in both ways it will be 60. Let me change as well this one, which is 30. Okay, let's make see if we have correctly done the dimension. Select this plane and this plane and see what is the angle. It's 36. Okay, now the last thing is the chamfer. The chamfer, the corner. Let's select all the corner. The angle is 45 and the distance is 15 millimeter. This is fine. Okay, now let's go back to 60 millimeters here. I think it represents closely what we have. Okay guys, that's it. This is our part we have drawn. We have seen that in one sketch we have been able to design different feature. This is, you will, in this case we're able to save much more time and be more efficient. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, let's subscribe to my channel, share it, like it, and if you have any doubt, put it on the comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Goodbye.